Hi, this is Enormity. If I can just take a second to promote my site. My site is vgt-central.com, stands for Video Game Testing Central. If you are a game developer, you can post your games for testers to test them. Your games will eventually be rated. You can post screenshots up, your game description, information, news, different things about your game. There will be more that you can add as well later once I'm completely finished coding my site. And testers can also create profiles on my site as well. You got avatars, some information, friends lists, you'll have comments, things like that. And you also have forums that you can post your pretty much whatever in, especially spam. So if you got a website you want to post, you can also do that. Now to the tutorial. This tutorial is to show how to make an enemy with HP. In this case, I'm going to use this crate. You can use any object that you create, however. You'll want to select the object, add two properties under the logic. The first one you will want to make Boolean. You will want to name it enemy. If you name it something else, just remember what you named it because you'll need that name later. Set it to true. The second, select integer. We will name it HP in this case, and we will set it at 100. Then you will add a sensor controller and actuator. Your sensor will be message. Subject, in my case, I'm just going to put is hit. Link it to your controller. Link it to your actuator. Your actuator you will change to property. Tell it add. The property name is HP. And the value you will want to minus, and I'm going to use 20 in my case. Tell it to take away 20. This way, when it's shot 5 times, the crate will die, pretty much. Then you will add 3 more. Tell this on property, when the property HP equals 0. When it equals 0, we want our object to end. Alright, now you gotta tell how you do this. If you're in a game where when you touch the object, you'll want to use your player for this. In my case, I'm going to use my bullet. So I select my bullet. I'll add my sensor controller and actuator. Tell this on collision with property enemy. I forgot to select that in the other ones. Make sure you always click this button. Anyways, on collision with property enemy, we want to message, and the subject is hit. So again, you gotta name this whatever it is that you name the message subject on your enemy. I'm going to go back real fast and oh crap. Well, that's what undo's for. Anyways, I'm going to select my top ... buttons. Okay. So I'm just going to check this, make sure the property's named correctly, make sure the subject's named correctly. Capitalization counts, remember that. Alright, and then we'll turn on this so that I can see. Should we debug properties? Alright, as you can see, I can't point to it. OB metal crate, the very last thing in the properties at 100. Now when I did this before, it was taking off double for some reason. Yeah, see, it's taking off 40. I'm not exactly sure why quite yet, but anyways, and then it disappears. If I can figure out why it's taken off 40 instead of 20, which is what I told it to do, then I will repost. But I've got an idea that 2 bullets are coming out whenever I click instead of 1. I'm not positive. Actually, I can check that in just a minute. Anyways, I will post a video response to this video if I can figure out why that's the case. But now you can at least say, in my case, if I wanted to fix that or adjust for that, I'll just make it half of what I actually want it to be, so that in 5 clicks, in 5 clicks it'll be gone. And this is a template. This game itself is a template that I'm modding. So this is not my actual game. If you are wanting to get this template, go to socialstorage.googlepages.com. And actually, let me just go to the main page. And then /projects. And then you can download it. It's this link right here. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment and ask your questions, or private message me and ask your questions, and I hope to see you on my site. Thank you.